Alright, we got our new oil pan in finally. Got all the bolts cracked. Now we can just get this thing off. Oh. And it rains a lot. There, try again. Easy. Come on. New gasket. Some nice cardboard. New pickup. Oh, it's got 2 bolts instead of 1. That's nice. I guess they didn't figure the Silverado was gonna be ripping around corners. Oh, we do have a new windage tray. Sick. Ooh, look at that. Amazon oil pan. I don't know what all that crap is in the corner there. I hope it's not loose. I don't think it is. It'll be fine. Oil thingy block off. Okay. What's this little windage tray thing look like? I mean, where does it go? It's gold. Ooh. That's a nice color. La 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 la. No. I don't know. Let's go like that. I don't think so. Does it go like that? No. Does it go like this? No. Does it go like this? No. I don't know what I'm doing. No, it must go. It goes like this. Yes, there we go. Goes in there just like that. Oh, they did. Right on. Get out of here, bug. Ta-da-da. Sorry. It's got a nice little oil block-off plate for the turbos later. That's your oil filter thingy-dingy that goes on your pickup. These are our bolts for that little windage tray, drain plug. I think these 3, 4, sorry. I have no idea what these are for. Maybe for something to do with the pickup tray. And these are the actual pan bolts. Not bad. Whoa. That was a bit too much. Ooh, why is it like jelly? Just dry it out a little bit. A little bit of Loctite. Let's, ugh, look at that. Ugh. Getting access. Loctite all over the place. Oh well. It'll keep everything tight and it will never blow up. Alright, so lots of messing around trying to get it to fit, and I figured I needed an FBody windage tray, but I looked online and turns out the FBody ones are actually just cut off right here. So lots of guys just say, no, just take the truck one, cut it really close, and it'll be good enough, instead of trying to make it work like I did. I hammered it down and did not work. Alright, the other camera died, so we cut this guy off just with a angle grinder. Cut it right off. I test fit the pan, slapped right on there, put the pickup tube, the tray back on, new gasket maker, the cornice. Now, all we gotta do is put you on. And I did notice that this one bolt hole right here, it's not drilled and tapped. You could drill and tap it, but I'm not going to. So we can do this one-handed. Nope, completely messed it up. Okay, now obviously I'm not going to use this. Just want to see if it's the one. If it will fit. It's got the same threads. And it appears we don't. Yo. No, it's cross-threading. Well, damn. Oops, I can't go. I did that last time and I bent my dipstick. Why is this so heavy? There we go. That is hard. Should fit now. Hopefully. In the car.